This is Bad Gamer Cat. I hope you're all doing well. I thought you might like to see this cute little video of Smokey, my African Grey Parrot, outside in the yard. Alright, hope you enjoy it. Take care and stay safe. Smokey is outside watching the pigeons that are at the feeder and on the yard. And she just asked them, "Are you a bird?" And I missed it. So I turned on my recorder and I'm hoping she'll say some more. What did the pigeons say? What did the pigeons say? No, they don't. They don't quack. No, they don't meow. What did the pigeons say? What did the pigeon say, Smokey? Yeah, that's what the pigeon says. Smokey, what does the pigeon say? Good girl. Good girl. You're so smart. You're such a smart bird. Did you eat your grape?
No.
No? How come? You like grapes? You too busy ripping up all the paper in the bottom of that crate? Okay. Are those all the sounds Grandpa taught you? What does the truck say when it backs up? Does it go beep, beep? That's not what it does. What is that? You're making weird noises. Oh, there's the raven. You don't like the raven. The raven was cawing. What did you say? You said, "Stop it." Oh my God, Smokey, now I'm in a dilemma. I want to get a picture of the raven at the bird bath. There's the raven at the bird bath. Oh, if I stand up, he's going to fly away. He's so shy. Hello, raven. Oh, you see the doggy? Yeah, there's a raven in the bird bath. Mommy wants to get a picture. But you might say something interesting. I don't know what to do. I'm torn. What should I do, Smokey? Do you like car rides? Are you tired? That was a big yawn. What happened, Smokey? The second I stopped recording you to get a picture of the raven, he flew away, right? Did the raven fly? Yeah, he flew away. He's a big bird. Oh, look, there's a squirrel, Smokey, look. Look, there's a squirrel. Look at the squirrel by the boat. Hello, squirrel. That's a mama squirrel. She has babies. I put some seeds out for her. What? The dog is gone, Smokey. The dog went for a car ride. Oh, good girl, you're whistling. You hear the outside birds? Can you imitate them? Well, you can, but will you? No. That's Grandpa taught you. Grandpa taught you all those sounds. Did Grandpa teach you all those sounds? She's not going to come when you call her. Hello, squirrel. Yeah. Okay, guys, that's it. Just a short little video of my African Grey Parrot. We have been socially distancing ourselves from everyone else in the yard. I hope you are too. Stay safe, you guys, and take care. Bye for now.